In this video, I'll detail how to disable iOS 18 tinted mode. So that's on iPhone. So this is the tinted mode on your iPhone running on iOS 18. So the new iOS 18 comes with a new feature called tinted, which gives you the option to color grade your apps icons. So just like this. So here, I'm basically going to teach you how to disable or turn off iOS 18 tinted mode on your iPhone. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is press and hold your iPhone home screen just like this. Click on the edit button at the top left. And once you click on that, this is going to pop Add Widget and Customize. Then go ahead and click on Customize. Once you tap Customize, you should see Tinted selected just like this. Then to turn off Tinted, come here and select either Light, Dark, or Automatic. So if you select Light, this is going to change from Tinted to Light mode. Then if you select Dark, this is going to change the iOS 18 Tinted to iOS 18 Dark mode icons. Then select light and you should see iOS 18 dark icons on your iPhone. So automatic is going to automate the process, switch between light and dark. So once you selected any of these, just click outside. Then you should see the iOS 18 tinted icons disabled. So that's how you can select disable or turn off tinted icons on your iOS 18. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.